want to be a scientist when I grow up.
I want to be an engineer when I grow up.
I want to be a doctor when I grow up so I can help save lives.
But right now, our school's science lab is outdated and under equipment. Our students are eager to learn, but they lack the tools they need to experiment.
Imagine a world where our children's curiosity is boundless, where their dreams of discovery are nurtured, and where the next generation of scientists, engineers, and doctors get their start.
That's why we decided to launch a crowdfunding campaign. Our goal is to have better quality science experiments using better equipment. We don't expect to have advanced tools like these, but we aim for something beyond what we are currently practicing with. We launched this project by forming different teams. Some of us focused on building the website, while others worked on copywriting. Video recording, email management, and graphic design. This project has a twofold benefit. Not only does it help us acquire science lab equipment, but it also allows us to develop essential skills for launching a successful marketing campaign. We are learning and improving in such areas as copywriting, effective communication and graphic design, website creation, video production, and more. By backing this project, you're not just funding a lab, you're empowering the next generation of scientists, engineers, and problem solvers. Every donation, big or small, makes a direct impact on our students' education and future careers.